Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this crop top. It's a small size, but you can make any size you want. You always make multiples of 5 chains, and then depending how large you want it, you continue doing the chains. It's not difficult to make. You will see as we get along, as you guys have seen. You can see it's a beautiful pattern here. It has a beautiful pattern. Hope that you find this video useful and that you try it. We start by making the chains, and chains we have to make multiples of 5. So chains you have to make multiples of 5. As you can see, I have made my chains. Now this is the first one here. We go to the last one. We make this like this, so we don't turn the work around. We go to the first one here and we close it. We close it with a slip stitch. We close it with a slip stitch like that. Now we're going to start the first row. We make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to make a treble. In every chain that we have, we make a treble. In every chain that we have all around, make sure that you finish. You continue making a treble or a double crochet, how you say it. I will write the English version and the American version. You continue making a treble in every chain all around. The row is ready, as you can see, and I finished with a slip stitch here in the stitch, the chains, and I finished with a slip stitch. Now we start the next row with a chain. We go here in the first one and we make a single crochet or a double crochet, depends how you call it. Now we make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one we make a single crochet. Another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we make a single crochet in the 5th chain. Another 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one we make a single crochet, and you continue all the round like that. 4 chains, you skip 4 trebles, and then the 5th one we make a single crochet or a double crochet, depending how you call it. The row is ready, as you can see, and we're going to finish with, it's ready here, we're going to finish with 2 chains, 1, 2. We go here where we made the chains before, and we're going to make a treble or a double crochet, depending how you call it. We finish the row like that. Now we make another chain. We start the next row. We go here and we do a single crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here, we're going to do the same now, and we're going to do a single crochet or double crochet, how we call it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go to the next one, another 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here, we do the same, and you continue 1, 2, 3 and 4. You continue all the row like that, 4 chains and a single crochet or treble here in the chains that we made before. You continue the row like that. This row is ready, and we're going to finish like the one we did before. 2 chains. We go here where we made the chain and the single crochet, and we finish with a treble or double crochet depending how you call it. Now the next row we're going to do the same. Chain, single crochet or double crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here, we do a single crochet or double crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here. We're going to repeat the row again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This row we repeat it 3 times. We make three rows like this. 1, 2 and the third one here. You continue all the row like that. The row is ready, as you can see. Now we're going to make 2 chains and we're going to finish like before. And the treble, here we go where we made the chains and we finish with a treble. And that is ready to, we made 3, as you can see. Now 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and we're going to make a treble here or double crochet, how you call it over there. We go here in the middle and we make a treble. Now here where we have these chains, we have to make 4 trebles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here in the middle and we make in the single crochet before we make the treble, and here we make another 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We go here in the middle of the single crochet, we make a treble. We go here and we make another 4, and you continue all the row like that, where we made the chains 4 trebles, and where we have the single crochet we make a treble in the middle there in the single crochet, and you continue all the row like that. This row is ready too. Now we arrived here at the edge. We already made 2 here and we're going to make the last 2, so we have 4 in all. We go here where we made the chains and we finish with a slip stitch. Now we start the next row with 3 chains, and we're going to do a treble in the same place where we made the chains. In the same place we make the chains and the treble. A chain. We're going to skip 2 trebles, 1, 2. We go in the next one and we do a treble. We do 2 trebles in the same treble. Another chain. We skip 1, 2. We go to the third one and we make 2 trebles in the same place. Another chain. We skip 1, 2. We go here and we make 2 trebles there, and you continue all the row like that. You skip 2, in the next one you make 2 trebles in the same place, and the chain that will separate them. Continue all the row like that. This row is ready, as you can see, and I finished with a slip stitch here. Now we start the next row with 3 chains. We go on this one, on this treble, and we make a treble. A chain. We go on the next treble here. Now we're going to make a treble on every treble we made before, and we're going to separate them with a chain. A chain. Again we go on this one. We make a treble on each treble and we separate them with the chain. Now like this row we have to make another row. So we finish this row and we make another row like this one. In all we have to have 3 rows. You continue like that. So as I told you, like this row you have to make another row, and in all you have to have 3. 1, 2 and the row that you're going to make after this one. This row is ready and I finished with a slip stitch. Now we're going to start again doing these rows here, these 3 rows here. We start with a chain, we go here and we do a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th one we're going to make a single crochet. Another 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th one we make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again we skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th one we make a single crochet. And you continue the pattern like that. Now you make these 3 rows here that we made here, then you make this row and you repeat these rows here until you find you have the length that you want for this top. Depends on the length that you want. You continue making the rows. Now I have finished. I have the length that I want. This is the length that I want for my crop top. Now when you arrive here in these rows, as I told you, you have to always repeat. Then when you arrive here, you repeat from here. You continue repeating these rows that we made here. Now when you arrive here, you have the exact length that you want, and you arrive here. And we're going to do the edges now. First we start with the top edge, and we're going to do the edge like that. We make a chain, we go here where we made the chain and we make a single crochet or double crochet depending how you call it. Now we skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We skip another 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make a single crochet or double crochet depending how you call it. Again we skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we're going to make another 5 trebles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again we skip 3, 1, 2, 3. In the 4th one we make a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. Again we skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we make another 5 trebles, and you continue all around like that. You make 5 trebles, then you skip 3 chains. In the 4th one you make a single crochet or double crochet. Again you skip 3 chains. In the 4th one you make 5 trebles. You continue all around like that. As you can see, the top part here, this part is ready. You finish it here with a slip stitch. You make the last 5, then you finish with a slip stitch here where you made the chain at the beginning. The top part is ready, as you can see. Now we're going to make the bottom part here at the bottom, and we're going to start. We're going to do the bottom part like the top part. We start with a slip stitch. We make a slip stitch, a chain, and we make a single crochet in the same place here. Now we're going to move 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we're going to skip 3. This is the first one here. We're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one we're going to make 5 trebles. 1 like we did before. 2, 3, 4 and 5. We skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth one we make a single crochet. We skip another 3, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one we're going to make another 5 trebles. You continue all the row like that, as I told you, like we did the row before. This one we're going to do it at the bottom. We skip another 3, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one we make a single crochet. You continue all the row like that. We skip another 1, 2, 3. In the fourth one we make another 5. You continue all the row like that, like we did the row before. So you can see this is ready now. This is the top part, how it comes. This is the bottom part, how it comes. As you can, it's ready. Now we're going to do the straps, the shoulder straps here. And we're going to start by making 5 chains. We start by making 5 chains. Now, we make another 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. We go in the fourth chain. And we make a treble. And we have to make a treble in every chain that we have. We make a treble in every chain that we have. Another 3 chains. We're going to start the next row now. And we go and we do a treble in each treble that we have. You have to continue like that, always doing trebles. You start with 3 chains, then you do a treble on every treble that you have until you have the length that you wish, that you want. Another 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. And you continue doing like that. You make a treble on each treble. And as I told you, you continue until you have the length that you want. This is one strap, then you have to do the other strap. You have to do 2 straps. You continue like that, as I told you, until you have the length that you want. And this is how the final result, how it comes. I attached the straps, as you can see here. You can attach them, either you sew them, or as you crochet them in their place like this. And this is how it comes. As you have seen, it was not difficult to make. It's very beautiful. It's a beautiful stitch pattern. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.